Hello, driving intelligence community. I want to do a quick video on something that I've been doing for the last couple weeks. Not sure why I never set this up before, but it's an electrolysis bath to remove rust. And it is amazing. If I get enough comments below, I'll do a more detailed video on this because I got a lot of video material, but I'm not sure if I'll put anything together unless there's a lot of interest out there. But you can see this is the bracket from my Mustang's rear wheel spat. And I took it off and it had rust on it. And what I'm finding, it's actually pretty interesting. It even removes paint. It starts to flake off the paint, removes anything that, just seems like it removes anything that's on the metal part that you're dealing with. So I was able to clean that up. And this is what the finished product looks like on the other side. I've actually removed all the rust and I've painted this with a primer and Rust-Oleum. It looks fantastic. There's the spat, by the way. And I'm going to reassemble this and get it ready to go back on the Mustang. But I just thought I'd show you something that is an absolutely fabulous tool. It's so easy to do. And again, if you're interested, comment below. Please like, subscribe, share. I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.